Thank you for joining, and I'm starting my demo. We are from Vinay Tech House Training Institute, and my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And you can call me in between these timings, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm working as a senior lead consultant, and the training type is basics to advanced. The duration is 50 to 60 hours. Daily training is 1 hour, and my 1 hour for you equal to 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday classes, and monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. Online and offline class mode. This batch having a couple of people in the offline as well. Online people, if in case you want to come for offline, yeah, you please come. I have all the batches, offline people. These are training details. And coming to institution side, we will provide daily videos access and the video till 1.5 is access. Communication, WhatsApp and email. We have a WhatsApp group. There we discuss all the things. And materials, theory, yes, we'll provide you. Material, practical also will provide you. Material theory, material practical. FAQs and mock interviews, yes, we will provide you. MSBA Tabular Cube, 1 hour session. SQL sessions, 4 hours I'm conducting. And whole course recommended to learn. And there are 9 topics. I will tell you what are the 9 topics which are important for your interview. Those topics you prioritize and learn properly. But for me, it's not sufficient to cover the 9 topics in the 4 hours. Once again, I'm telling you, the important topics to cover in 4 hours not possible. So learn outside. And I will cover 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. This is what institution provides. And training objective. In case you want to work in the real time, you need interview supportive. Interview supportive means this FAQs, mock interviews, this kind of stuff we will cover. And you're preparing for certification, PL300 certification, 70 to 80% I'm covering for the PL300 certification. And you want to generate your own reports. You're working as a manager in one company, IT or non-IT, and you want to generate your own reports possible. And if you question, and most of the people are asking me a generic question, sir, who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. And what type of component it is? It's a low code component and full graphical user interface component. And you can use Power BI. This is the last question. Many people calling and asking me, sir, if I learn Power BI, does it get a good life, good bread and butter, a future, a very good position in the ladder, career ladder? Yes, absolutely. Because as a report developer, you can try in the market. As a business intelligence developer, you can try BA for business intelligence. And as a data analyst, and as a business analyst technical side, you can try. As a data scientist, you can try along with other components. Many companies asking Power BI as a reporting component in the data scientist role level. So these are the ways you can use Power BI. In the worst situation, you can use Power BI to generate your own reports. So training details, Institute provides, training objective, training FAQs, you can use Power BI for these positions. I have multiple batches, but the current batch is 7 o'clock now. Every 10 days, we will have 1 batch, every 10 days. Any questions in this area? Anyone? Right. So coming to videos and communication. This is most. Yes, please. Yes, madam, go ahead, please.
Morning 9 a.m. batch is there?
Yes, yes. Yeah, these are the available batches.
Yes, for this batch, is it available for 9 a.m.?
No, now it's not available. So speak to the reception, they'll give you complete details.
Okay.
When it's going to start. 7 a.m. is the current batch.
Okay.
Right. Coming to IT resources, who are all working in IT, kindly support to learn from origin of the subject. I will explain it from basics. And non-IT people, do not feel panic. It's a technical component. I need to use technical words. There's no other alternative to learn a technical component with non-technical words. And many people asking me, sir, explain in very simple way. Unless you know the technical words of the component, how do you work on it? How do you prepare documentation in the real time? How to present it to a customer? How do you speak to your technical architects? Not possible. So please have some patience and learn properly. I'll provide you the video, good material, and weekends you are having live practice session, live practice session. Those will help you to get more knowledge. So for IT and non-IT, and there are 2 demo classes here. Today is the first demo. First 20 minutes introduction. So I already started. Later 40 minutes, I will explain this information. And tomorrow is the second demo. This is tomorrow. First 10 minutes, a recap. Next 40 minutes, this examples and all we'll see, practical example. Practical example. And I'm going to explain next couple of minutes this role. So this information, data, IT application, BA application, Power BI, Power Platform Fabric. In case you're already working in Fabric, no problem. If you're new to IT, already working in IT but different platform, listen to it thoroughly. Without knowing this hierarchy, if you start your career, it's mere waste. That's why I mentioned Power BI as a Microsoft Fabric Power BI. No more normal Power BI. Due to lack of knowledge, trainers and a couple of real-time people will say Power BI, learn Microsoft Power BI. It's a Microsoft Fabric Power BI. So you have to start with Fabric first. But it's really tough to learn, really tough to go directly with Fabric. So I will start from the basics. I'll start with data till Fabric I will explain. This Fabric is a specially designed component from the Microsoft, which is for data engineering support, data scientist support, data analyst support, data citizen support. So these are the 4 roles you can try by using Fabric. It's a single solution, unified solution for multiple opportunities, multiple ways of usage. And Power BI is part of Fabric. Remember, Power BI part of Fabric. So the license you take in Power BI, the component you download from Power BI, so Microsoft, everything is Fabric. Then what is Fabric? Why Microsoft given Fabric? It is given in 2023, June. So do not write anything. Online, offline people, I'll be giving the screenshots, video, kindly go through it. Listen to it, enjoy it, and ask me your questions if you have any questions. Don't feel panic, non-IT people. Since you're entering into IT, you may see a couple of IT words, but slowly you'll understand. Daily we discuss the same. After 2 days or 3 days, you feel very bored. See, Power BI beautiness as a data scientist you can use. As a data analyst you can use. As a data citizen you can use. Multiple ways. Then why? What it has, you need to know. Unless you know this hierarchy, you cannot come to know what exactly Power BI has. I'm having really good experience in IT, understanding level, so I'm starting from basics, not like directly from Power BI. And who all joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room quickly. This is my WhatsApp. Any batch. So completed recently. Classes will go systematically, very systematically. With full student satisfaction. Even live project practice also will conduct. No regular sessions this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. But tomorrow there's a live practice session. You follow with your laptop. So many people following. Every week they're enjoying it. See, first day to till last day, you will get every day after the session completed your video message. Today's video plays. This is the concept covered. Not like other institutions, simply sharing some material and all. We'll notify you once we get the material and video. So if the course completed, yes, we'll explain. After the second project completed, this course completed for this batch. See how I mentioned everything. I will give videos, documents, everything. This is a response from the students. Unless they feel happy, they will not. Thank you, sir. Your excellent training. We refer to our friends. Thank you, sir. Exceptional subject to knowledge. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for invaluable training contributions. Unless students satisfied, they will not give information like this. So this is running batch satisfaction. Running batches. Now coming to jobs, there are many people, guys, not 1, 2 people. Many people got jobs. In this person is trying for it. It's not loading, yes. If this load, really good. Sir, hi, sir. Good morning. I got placed recently. 2 companies, HCL 14 lakhs and Citus company. Which one I have to choose? Please help me, sir. Ankit. So not loading, sir, properly, but I will. So we have very good success rate in the market. Now, every batch videos, take any batch, 9 a.m. February or 7 a.m. February. Let's take 7 p.m. December. So you will get content checklist, SQL topics, business document for practice. And this is the lab backup. Whatever the lab setup you require, everything will provide you. Lab setup for your practice. Database files, normal files, analysis services files, images, themes, very strong lab back. Now, these are the videos area. Demo 1, demo 2, like this sequential order, you find all the videos. Irrespective of your attendance, you will get the video, you will get the document. Just go to that, practice it. And for every batch, first I will start with case studies. First 2 days, today only, not 2 days, first only 1 day. Today is a theory class, but from tomorrow, practical classes. See this? I started case studies at the beginning only. So business specification document, function specification document, technical specification document, real-time documents, real-time process, technical implementation. Once it is completed, then only I go for practice. So my way of teaching is completely different. First, I will start with case studies, and then we go to subject to learning one by one. So during case studies, you will understand the real-time approach, real-time understanding. When I'm explaining the case studies and projects in the last, people are not enjoying. They're confusing because subject is taking 50, 55 days. So they're lagging behind the subject. So all of a sudden, case study and project, they're not able to do. That's the reason we are following a different approach, but it is a successful approach. Even you will get complete clarity. The people who are looking for fast track, yes, attend first 20 days of my classes, that is sufficient. Because 4 to 5 case studies I will cover with real-time approach, sufficient. Sufficient. And this is a checklist. What I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. See all topics. Each and every component, how much time I'm going to spend. Demo, how much time? After the demo overview, how much time? Document downloading, case studies, how much time? Projects, how much time? Everything. Case study 1. Case study. And this is Power BI service topic, cloud topic, extraction topic, Power Query topic, every topic. Once it is done, I will mention yes, yes, yes. A proper checklist. We follow this regularly for every batch. It's very hard to remember what I covered in a particular day. And even you feel confused with the content flow. So by seeing this, you will understand, okay, so trainer started DAX sessions and these are sessions completed, these are pending. These are checklists we follow for every batch. Now, something additional in detail for 2 minutes. As a trainer, in the next 2 months, I'm going to cover this subject in brief. This is project environment related. This is tool level or application level. Tool or application, Power BI level, cloud components I will cover, on-premises components I will cover. Along with that, Power Apps for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. Compulsory. You need to have knowledge on Power Apps and Power Automate basics. Then what is Power App? How it is related to Power BI? What is Power Automate? How it is related to Power BI? I will cover. That is subject level. But we are going to work in the real time. So real time technology, real time project flow, we need to learn. So this is a content. Data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These 4 real-time projects level we use it. So I will explain you 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database knowledge I will give you 4 hours, but that is not sufficient. You have to learn complete course and prioritize 9 topics. What are the 9 topics? I will give you in the checklist I already given. Today you will get the checklist. Today you will get the checklist. Kindly go through. See, MSBA tabular cubes knowledge. Right now 1 hour only I am giving due to lack of time. For job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews required, 100% I will provide it. So this is interview project related and this is subject related. After this course, you can try for these positions. Below 5 years, only you can keep in Power BI. With respect to Power BI, less than 5 years, you can claim. More than that, not possible. Without working on 1 or 2 projects, you cannot try for these positions. 1 or 2 projects knowledge is required end to end. Modeling role, designer role, specialist role, architect role. Which means you got experience on Power BI 10 years, 15 years, no problem. You have opportunities in the market. Less than 5, my course is sufficient. Technically, I'll give you strong knowledge for that. Practical knowledge for that. And 90% opportunities in the company, Power BI plus SQL. This is Power BI plus SQL. DAX is a language inside Power BI. Don't worry. I will explain for 10 hours. But altogether, Power BI. Power BI plus SQL language knowledge for 90%. And remaining 10%. And my course is good with support resource responsibilities in case you want to try as a support resource or you want to try as a Power BI admin role. 100% suitable. And the people who want to try in the combination like MSBA plus Power BI, Tableau plus Power BI, Azure plus Power BI, Synapse plus Power BI. You already learned it and you want to try in the combination, really good. So multiple ways Power BI helpful. I showed at the beginning, data analyst, business analyst, BA developer, report developer, data scientist. So multiple opportunities. Your wish how you want to try. Okay? Right. That's it, guys. What we provide, how we provide, everything explained. And any questions in this diagram? Anyone? Before I start my next part. Who all just joined, kindly provide email ID, mobile number to get all these documents. We will come to this once again at the end. Now, first demo part. 20 minutes introduction completed. I started at 7:10, 7:30, I closed the introduction. Next till 8:10, I will continue this information. Types of data, types of IT applications, types of business intelligence applications, MS BI versus Power BI versus Azure BI. What is Microsoft Fabric, Power BI components, Power BI concept? The reason I'm explaining this flow, because Power BI comes under Fabric now. And what is Fabric? First, I'll give you high-level information, concentrate. Single solution for multiple operations and suitable for multiple reasons, multiple positions. And what exactly Fabric having? Fabric having data engineering solution, data scientist solution, data analyst solution, data citizen solution. 4 types of solutions it is providing. And Power BI useful and data scientist level, data analyst level, data citizen level. So I'm going to explain Power BI for these positions. Sir, my friend suggested me learn MSB and Power BI, ADF and Power BI. So do you need to learn, or which one is good? You will come to know at the end of the session. So kindly stay tuned. Any confusion in this area? Online people, anyone having any confuse? Able to understand what type of component you are learning? Data scientist suitable, data analyst suitable, data citizenship suitable. Yeah. This is a flow I'm going to explain. Concentrate. First, data. Sir, it's a very boring part about data. Not boring. Important part. Listen to it. Microsoft Power BI. First feature, attractive feature in the market is any type, any format, any storage. This is the first slogan of Microsoft. Slogan from 2013 to 2016. Everyone used Power BI because of this reason. Then what is any type? What is any format? What is any storage? Any type indicate Power BI support any type of data. So there are 3 types of data available in the market: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Structured indicate like this, column by column. Employee ID, employee name, age, degree. So column by column data available. So this is called structured storage. Mostly you will find this in the table level, Excel level, etc. applications. First point is clear. Table, Excel, etc. applications data, column by column available. Structured data. Second one, if you see this is called structure or metadata, technical word. And this is called data, John data, metadata. Sorry, this is metadata data. So structure and data available. This is semi-structured. JSON, XML, these come under semi-structured. And if you look at this, no particular structure, just some textual information available, maybe a Word content, a PDF content, or a WhatsApp content, your Gmail content, etc. This is unstructured. So social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents, email, this content is unstructured. Power BI has a support for all these types of data. And in the classroom, we're going to discuss maximum sources. I will explain table, I will explain Excel, I will explain JSON, XML, and one PDF document, Word document, and email. This complete data we will use in the classroom. So any type of data supported in Power BI. Next, any format. Mostly data in IT companies, two formats. One is file format. Second one, database format. This is the first format. This is the second format. People say like table format. Go to any organization. Either they keep data in databases or files. There are no other storages. So there are no other formats. Now coming to storage. Storages are two types. This file data, database data, either on premises within the company, they will keep, or somebody else storage area they will maintain. That is called cloud. What is cloud? Somebody else's storage area. If you maintain in your company, on premise. If you maintain in your device, on premise. If you maintain in your computer, on premise. If you maintain somebody else's storage, cloud. And knowingly or unknowingly, everyone using these two. Take mobile phone. Our images, our videos. Where do we keep initially? Mobile storage. Even contacts. We will take backup. Daily backup, weekly backup, etc. backup. Where does system keep? Cloud. And some people Samsung cloud, some people Apple cloud, and different people Gmail cloud or Google cloud, etc. So knowingly or unknowingly, are we using it? Yes. And today I will share the video in Google Drive. It's a cloud, storage cloud. So data, three types available, two formats available, two types of storage available. Power BI has wonderful support for all. This is the first point. Any question from anyone? Next, this data we use in IT applications. This data. IT applications, many available, many types. Importantly, first type is this. Second type is this. First applications, since 40 available, 1940. Second applications, since 90 available. First applications are business running applications. Run the business and keep the data, simply. And everyone require IT application first for that purpose only. Running the business and keeping the data. And those applications basically deal with transactions. So we call these applications technically as transactional applications. And a word called OLTP, online transaction processing. So instead of saying business running applications, IT level, we use a separate terminology, OLTP, online transaction processing. They run the business. Example, your IRCTC ticket booking application, your Book My Show application, and you withdraw cash from ATM, that ATM machine or ATM software. These all come under OLTP applications. Why, sir? At the end of your booking, you will get a message. System will take information like this. PNR number, if it's a train ticket booking, PNR number, how much amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, etc. Finally, it will give you a message. Transaction success, a transaction failed. That's why these applications are called transactional applications. You send money, you will get a transaction ID through UPI. Any UPI you send money, you will get transaction ID. Online transfer, you will get a transaction ID. You booked a movie ticket, your transaction successful, this is a ticket. So the data is called transactional data. The application is called transactional application, and the process is called OLTP, online transaction processing. Knowingly or unknowingly, we all using OLTP applications in our mobile level and web level. Do you agree? Yes. So how do we use? Via web, via desktop, via mobile. Three platforms. Three platforms required to perform operations. But we will get a form. This is an important one. Entry form you will get. There you enter the details, and finally the information stored in storage area. Here the storage contain transaction, success, or failure. That's it, not any other. So we call it as OLTP storage. Everyone able to understand what is OLTP? And you guys, actually BA applications initial purpose, I'm telling you. These applications initial purpose is providing an analysis to this. It's suitable only for the management team. Today, booking completed. Your management want to analyze. What are the trains having highest booking? Which region having highest booking? And what type of coaches having highest booking? Sleeper coach or AC coach, first AC, second AC, third AC. They want to take decision. And this data is called decision-making data. Some people also call it as analytical data. As it is giving intelligent information of the business, people also call it as BA data, business intelligence data. And the applications which are converting like this are called BA applications, business intelligence applications, or analytical applications. So you're all showing interest to convert your company's general data into analytical data, decision-making data, business intelligence data. The process what we follow is called BA process. So you guys work on BA process first. And you generate reports or dashboards. This will provide this kind of information. Report or dashboard. And via web, via desktop, via mobile platform possible. And who will use this information? Management team. But how do we present it? Like this, visuals. So what is your objective? Getting data, business or any. Implement BA process. It's a layered process. And generate report or dashboard. This is your objective in the companies. You will get the data, implement the process, generate report or dashboard. This is the place only Power BI we use it. Power BI. Same. I'll show you with a simple diagram and you look into. General public. They use IRCTC application for booking. The data is called OLTP data. Some companies, they are keeping this data in the on-premises or cloud, within the company or cloud. And Power BI used in this area only, this area. It will take this data, what are the business data available. And there is an application called Power BI Desktop, which will implement all these concepts and generate a report. And then we place the report in the on-premises level or cloud level. The reports or dashboard management team will access. So your role is here. Bringing this data, using this process, making the reports and dashboards available, Management team will take analysis. And this data is transactional data, and whatever you're providing is called analytical data. On-premises is within the organization storage, cloud is somebody else storage. Understood what is the exact role in the company? How do we implement that is latter part. Any questions, please?
So this is just managing the data. Like end of the day, we create the report and storing either in desktop or it is in server kind of thing related.
Yeah, this is for creation, this is for storage. That's okay.
Oh,
This part I will give you understanding, don't worry. Just Power BI
okay.
reference, you try to understand where exactly we use it.
Yes.
Now, I will explain something additional about what BI, what is report, what is dashboard. You might wondering by listening to the words report and dashboard, I will give you good explanation. What is BI? Business intelligence. Intelligent information to the business. Decision making or analysis of the business. We call a person as an intelligent person when if his decision making is good, his analytical skills are good. The same thing here. Business analytical data, business decision making data is BA data, and the process is BA process, and the application is BA application. But what is the input? Input is data. Remember, what is the input? Data. That may be any data, any type, anyway. Output is report or dashboard. So this is a report, this is a dashboard. But whatever you are able to see here, I'll call visuals. Visuals. These are all visuals. Visual components. And what exactly they provide? They provide insights. What do you mean by insight? I clearly mentioned here. Visual is a component which will display data in a graphical format. Insight, which will provide accurate and deep understanding of visual data. So you come across throughout this course, visual insight, do not confuse. The visual displays data, normal data, a data in graphical presentation. An insight, which will provide accurate and deep understanding of data. And these two will help the organization people to take decisions. Understood? Right. Then what is the difference between report and dashboard? Report and dashboard both contain visuals and talk about insights. But where is the difference? Report is for individual operation. Example, savings account, deposits, you are showing in a single area. Savings account withdraw. In a single area you are showing, that is report. Coming to dashboard level, set of reports information available. Example, savings account analysis, where you keep deposit some visuals, not all. Withdraw some visuals. A few visuals. Deposit a few visuals, withdraw a few visuals, you will place in a single area, that is a dashboard. That's why report is called as detailed understanding data presentation component, and dashboard is called as high-level data presentation component. Set of operations presentation component. Not always low level, sometimes high level required to analyze multiple operations in a single area. That is a dashboard. Got clarity? Take any BA tool in the market, any BA process in the market, it will generate either report or dashboard. Tableau, ClickView, Power BI, Cognos Analytics, Crystal reports, any reporting tool, any BA tool you take in the market, they work on data and generate report or dashboard. And report and dashboard contain visuals. Visuals talk about insights. This is a process. But when was this process given, sir? I'll explain this. Focus. Something interesting you will get in another 5-10 minutes. Kindly focus. So BA process given in 90s. The input, data, output, report process given in 90s. It's a layered process. Very tough case, very tough process. The reason multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources required. Complex and tedious, but still MNCs, top MNCs use this process. A legacy process. So what is the process? Why are you saying tough? First, this I will cover. And then from Microsoft side, what type of solution given is MSBA? If MSBA available, then why Power BI? Why Azure BA? That you need to know first. Let up Power BI in detail. If you don't know and you go to interview, they will ask you first question. Why Power BI introduced by Microsoft? If Apple company, they want to release some new features, they will give an extension to the existing mobile and mention iPhone 16, 17, some versions like that, but not a separate device. If they're giving a separate device, means definitely it is having distinct features than the existing device. Right or wrong? When MSB available, if it is still having good market, so it is having good market still, but we have Power BI. Why? Why Power BI released when MSB already available and having a rock solid solution in the market level? That reason you need to understand first. If you don't understand, you cannot start up Power BI properly. I will explain in 2 minutes. Kindly listen to it. BI applications. This process given early 90s. Everyone should understand. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, 4 layers. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? First foundation, pillars, ceiling, side wall, interior. That's the way we follow. The same way you want to convert a normal data into decision-making data, we need to follow these 4 layers. It's a fixed layers. Any tool, any process, any technology used, these layers are compulsory, same way required. So in the Power BI level, 2 things you learn. First one, BI process. Second, tool experience. So with the BI process, any BI tool you can work on. Any BI tool you can work on. Since you're learning Power BI, more comfortably you'll have hands-on in the Power BI. But with this knowledge, any BI tool you can learn. Any BI tool you can move. Because BI remains same. So what is a processor? According to scientists, they asked first bring the daily data. This is a daily data, bring it. And keep it in huge storage. Bring daily data. Keep it in huge storage. Technically, we call it as warehouse. And here only the terabytes of data, petabytes of data maintained. Once a huge store is available, even historical data, years on years data available. Once a complete historical data available, take the required data. And take the required data, perform aggregate analytical operations. This is called semantic model or a cube area. Everyone remember. So required data, you take it and make it suitable for analysis by creating aggregate analytical operations, sum, average, minimum, maximum, rank, standard deviation, etc. And present it by using any presentation tool. And management team will analyze easily. So this is a process. Bring daily data, keep it in huge storage, create a semantic model or a cube, and then go to reporting a dashboard. Fixed process. Technically, this bringing data comes under ETL process. Huge storage maintenance comes under warehousing process, technical. And this comes under semantic process or pivoting process. Pivoting, technical word. And this comes under reporting process or BA process. 4 layers. Yes, 90 to 2005, if any company want to use compulsory 4 layers, 4 tools, 4 people required. Yes, these are the tools in this area, these tools in this area, these tools in this area available. Depending on the budget, resources availability, companies used to recruit and implement this process initially. So Microsoft decided, why don't we optimize this approach? Why can't we give all in a single area? That is MSBA 2005. First BA, wonderful BA, not normal. Wonderful BA. It is a suit or a stack or a pack with multiple tools. So this is the first tool, this is the second tool, this is the third tool. 3 tools. And this tool provides support here. This tool in the semantic model and pivoting, this tool in the reporting. And it also having database. It also has database SQL server in this area. First one. And you don't believe, guys, after 2005, it got later shipped to Microsoft. MSBA released in 2005, and it got later shipped from 2008 onwards. These are the versions. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a version. And Microsoft is a leader from 2008. Analytics and BI level, Microsoft is a leader for the last 16 years, not 1, 2. So don't think about your career and future. Microsoft is a leader. The leader does not have market. What about others? We cannot assume as well. We cannot predict. So you're learning a leader in the market. Let me show you that. Wait for a few more minutes. You'll get complete clarity. Gartner. You'll see the links will be there. Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft named a leader in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant, analytics and BA platforms. That is not a great point. This is a great point. We are thrilled to announce that for the 16th consecutive year, Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BA. 16th consecutive year. Last 16 years. Sir, how come, sir? Now everyone going for Power BI, then how come Microsoft having leadership? I'll explain you. See, this is the leader. These are all the followers and a couple of them challenges. Tableau, ClickView, these are all next to Microsoft. These are all challenges. Not only Gartner, if you go to Forrester Wave, many organizations, they given Microsoft as a leader. That I will show you in the regular class. Next point. So first one, I said it's a leader. Then why Power BI, sir? When MSBA is good, and why Power BI? Why Fabric? Listen to it. The question also given here. Why was Power BI created when MSBA already having all that stuff? Not all that stuff. MSBA designed purely based on market before 2004. It was released in 2005. See the interesting point. So before 2004 market, what are the tools, technologies, process available? All are embedded in MSBA. Market after 2004, drastic change. I don't know how many of you were. Facebook in 2004 announced. Google Analytics from 2005. The word cloud available in the market from 2006. The word cloud. And we are using apps, mobile level, tab level, etc. since 2009. Everything after 2005. That is a major reason MSBA does not have support to cloud. No mobile and tab friendly. And unstructured data very less before 2004 because Facebook, Google Analytics, Instagram, those are all not available. So unstructured data not available and very less. That's why limited support. In case you want to keep MSB application the power Facebook level, MSB report, not possible. You developed a strong report in MSBA. You want to show in company website level, or you want to show in Excel level, Twitter Excel level, not possible. Support is not there. And compulsory, we need to write coding, average level coding required. And the visuals also, very less. And market is changing drastically, but the feature updates every 2 to 3 years. Then Microsoft realized, why don't we give one more component which will have all these features and also changes the market. Change the market. That is Power BI. Power BI is adding power to existing BA. The first point, listen to it. For the existing MSBA, more power added, that is Power BI. And Power BI level cloud is available, on-premises available. And mobile and tab-friendly support available. Any data, any format, any type of data possible. Easily you can place Power BI reports in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, your company website, SharePoint server, wherever you want to place, easily you can place and show. And low code no need to write much. Many visuals available, market suitable visuals, easy analyzable visuals. And continuously it track the IT changes, continuously. That's why in Power BI level, we have monthly updates. So July 2013 Power BI announced. From there, every month we have an update. Not like MSBA, 2 to 3 years, one release. Every month. For example, this month, you had one company released and company given a very good component. Immediately next month, you see in the Power BI updates level, we integrate with so-and-so company data. We joined with so-and-so company. We put our hands together to make it bigger. That is the strength of Power BI, and people loving Power BI because of this reason. Monthly update, not a normal task. As it is having many scientists, Microsoft is able to afford that much money, so maintaining this. That's the reason it is number one in the market for business intelligence. Next 10 years, no need to see back if you learn properly. And if you want to conclude, this is a conclusion. The definition, maximum 5 minutes. Later, I'll address your questions. Kindly stay tuned. So, old level, old process level, what we need? Multiple tools, setups, resources. In case you want to convert data into BA data, this is required earlier. MSBA level, single suite, multiple applications or tools. So SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services, SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Then what about Power BI? That burden also reduced. Single application, see the beautiness. No need to have multiple tools or applications. Single application with multiple concepts to perform end-to-end process. Or you can, some people say end-to-end process, some people say data to BA data process. This is the concept one, Power Query. So within the Power BI single application, Power Query concept does ETL process. Power Pivot Trans concept does semantic model or cube implementation. Power View or Map does reporting presentation. See how Microsoft simplified the solution. Not required multiple tools. One application, ETL process, semantic process, reporting process will do. How it is possible and what are these concepts? This understanding I'll give you tomorrow with a practical, then you will get very clearly. The practical you're supposed to implement also before you join to the regular class. Got clarity? This is a major reason why Power BI called as low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI, because end-to-end it is doing. What is self-service? You go to a hotel, if they written self-service means you have to take the token, go to the counter, bring your food, and keep your plates aside. Everything you only do it. That is self-service. Here also, it will bring the data, maintain huge storage, maintain semantic model, present the data. Self-service and generate reports or dashboards from the data. This is a definition given by Microsoft, and this is given by a couple of scientists. Adding power to existing BI is generalized definition, and this is given by Microsoft. A low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application generates reports and dashboards from the data. So why Power BI when MSB exists, I clearly given. By reading only you remember. So after this class, you will get the screenshots, read it and get the knowledge. Next, but Microsoft did not stop with Power BI. They have seen the power of Power BI in the market and how companies are running. So they decided to release a single platform with multiple low-code components. And that solution given in 19. What is a Power Platform? Is next to Power BI, Power Platform. So Power BI is the first low-code component. Power Apps is the next low-code, next low-code, next. 5 low-code components in Power Platform. Microsoft assumed like these two combination will be good. Or these two combination will be good like this. But market going in a different way. No one is using these combinations. So decided again and released in 2023 June Fabric. Then what is Fabric? See the changes. Initially standalone. It is on top of solution to MSBA. Later, a component of Power Platform, single platform with low-code applications. Now it is a Fabric. Then what is Fabric? So one second and last, Fabric, an artificial intelligence solution. Artificial intelligence, single solution with the multiple operations for multiple positions in the market. So this is the first artificial intelligence solution, Power BI. Now Power BI level, many AI features you will find it. Even Copilot and all work in Power BI. I will explain those practically, don't worry. Normal BI plus AI level partial BI. So AI level features I will explain the class. So Power BI for reporting. Data Factory, this is for data integration. Data Activator, data monitoring and governance. Synapse, data storage, analytics, data science operations. This is for data analyst operation, reporting data analyst. So these are 4 components available in the Fabric level and given in 2023. So the component Power BI, when you install the component, when you work, Fabric, the word will follow. And so you can learn Power BI and you can start as a Power BI resource in the market, like data analyst, business analyst, technical, data scientist, and multiple roles. Second way, you can learn Data Factory, Azure Data Factory or Azure Synapse. You can grab some more opportunities. If you really wish to grab more opportunities, you go for either Data Factory or Synapse combination. Advantage to you. Right, companies also already started recruiting for a Fabric developers, a separate opportunity. Beside analyst, BA developer, data scientist, they are recruiting Fabric developers also. And who are having knowledge on 2 components or more, they can try as a Fabric developer. This is all about Power BI and Power BI inside Fabric. So I give a high level understanding of what is data, types of data, what is IT application, types of IT applications, BA application, types of BA application, Power BI, Power Platform, and Microsoft Fabric. Complete detailed history I given from beginning to ending. Take the material, open the video, prepare your own running notes, and enjoy with the subject. This understanding is mandatory. Otherwise, you cannot prove yourself in the interviews and the company's level. And tomorrow we go to low level of Power BI like this. First, I will explain what are the Power BI components available, how many components available, and one example, how to convert normal data into analytical data like this. This we will do tomorrow. And this is conclusion. Why do we require Power BI in the market? Basic definition. Power BI is basically for generating reports and dashboards from data. That's it. And suitable for all these people. As a report developer, BI developer, data analyst, business analyst, data scientist. And any graduate can learn Power BI. And Power BI is a low-code component with full graphical support. And my course is good for real-time working, interview suitable. And if you want to prepare for certification, 70 to 80% covered. Remaining, I will give you the dumps, free dumps, no charge. And to generate own report, you want to generate your own report also suitable. Institute side videos will provide you 1.5 years access, communication, WhatsApp and Gmail, and material theory, material practical you will receive. Mock interviews, FAQs will conduct. Tabular cube classes for 1 hour I will cover. It is important. Semantic model of MSBA covering is important. SQL 4 hours I will cover, but that is not sufficient. You learn more. And 2 near real-time project and multiple case studies. So my name, my mobile number, my call time, and training type basics to advanced, 60 hours is a session. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. In case you are looking for fast track, I'm not the trainer. There are other trainers available, but I believe my course is sufficient. First 20 hours sufficient in case you want to consider like a fast track. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly to Saturdays we are having classes, either live practice along with me or session, but mostly live practice. Class mode, online, offline. And who all not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. And also note down my contact number. Call me after 11 o'clock if you have any personalized questions and doubts. I'm done from my side. Now take your mic and ask your questions.